Right now we don't have a car, so we just simply hooked it up to a car battery and it is working 100%. Hey guys, I'm Tom at DSC Sport. We have Jeremy here. This is our DSC Sport standalone system. This is a very simple system. It's ever popular. In fact, we're putting these systems on RestoMods, custom race cars, prototypes, you name it. Any car that we make shocks for, we have this simple system that can be plug and play. When I say simple, I mean simple to the end user. We spend a considerable amount of time and research and development to have the algorithm and have it so that the end user only has to hook up power and ground. As you can see, we have our demo bench here hooked up to a car battery, and that's it, power and ground. And our wiring harness has connectors for each shock. It is labeled, and the kit comes with our DSC Sport 3-axis accelerometer. This is a very accurate accelerometer, measures 3-axis G-force, and this is the primary input for our system. Using the DSC Sport tuner software, we can demonstrate the function of our standalone system. So part of the system is our 3-way map switch. So you can see here, it's a momentary switch. So light off is the touring mode, light on is sport mode, and hit it one more time, see the light flashing. This is now in track mode. So with the different modes, you'll be able to see the damping change right away.
Here we are, we're in our data record function. We are using this function to demonstrate for you guys our standalone kit. With Tom working the accelerometer, you're able to see the shocks constantly changing dynamically, of course. And with the 3-mode switch, he's able to change between the modes, and you can see that actually on the graphs as well. If we go down here to the G-force, longitude and latitude, you'll be able to see that his G-force is turning and it's working. So that's what's regulating the shock.
Again, this is a very simple system for the user. We have our standalone controller, map switch, accelerometer, wiring harness connected to each shocks, and right now we don't have a car, so we just simply hooked it up to a car battery and it is working 100%.